Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into a product from Olsa Tools that I picked up probably a month or two ago now, but I just haven't got around to shooting the video on it or installing them. This is the heat sleeve or grips from Olsa Tools, as designed to go over like ratchet handles. I have a large 1/2-inch drive gear wrench here with a pretty thick handle, and this largest sleeve is probably too big for this ratchet, so this probably won't be used today, but you do get 4 different sizes. You can get this in black, red, green, and blue. There may be other colors as well. Those are the 4 that I commonly see. They run between $10 and $12 for the set. So if you're somebody that maybe doesn't like comfort grip ratchets, but you want some added grip, this is a really good way to get additional grip with just a slight bit of comfort without gaining a big bulky handle. That's kind of where these are going to shine. So you kind of get a grippier surface on your ratchet without the additional bulk. I think it's a great addition. It's not going to be great for everybody. You can cut these to length, use them on multiple ratchets. You can use them on all sorts of tools really if you wanted to. But I believe the main thing that they use these for are ratchets. So we're going to be installing a few. We'll be using a heat gun. I think you could probably use a lighter as well, but we'll see how they are. So let's just go ahead. We'll probably be installing smallest one on the Milwaukee, the second smallest on the gear wrench 3/8 drive, and probably the second largest on the 1/2-inch drive, and then we'll probably save this for something else. I'm going to cut these down a little bit because they are a little long for what they are. Probably just going to cut them about the length of the handle here. Be using the engineer shears or scissors. If you guys haven't checked out my review on these, go ahead and check them out. They're fantastic. But we'll go right about a little over halfway, like butter. And then same thing with this. And I'm just going to stop at the bottom of the ratchet handle. Probably just go to right about there. This one, shoot, we might just leave it the way it is. So if you wanted, you can leave a little overhang at the bottom if you want. I'm just going to go flush with the bottom, and we'll see how it does. Trying not to melt things on my workbench either. I think I started at the wrong end on this one. I should have started at the base like I did the last one, so I could get the adjustment right. Not a big deal. Let that cool off for a second before I shut it down. So quick and easy install. I just did, 3 ratchets in about a minute and a half or so. I started this one at the top where I should have started at the bottom, but not a big deal. I will say I do like that hex pattern. There's a different kind of texture there, so you do definitely get much more grip, especially if you got oil on your hands or on your ratchet, whatever it may be. It's nice and comfortable now without being bulky, and you get a lot more grip on there. I don't think you got to worry about it sliding around or anything like that. It doesn't feel like it's going to rotate on me. Yeah, it's actually really good. I don't think there's any adhesive to these. This isn't the adhesive type, but it seals really well. There you can see I got it right around the bottom of this one. I kind of like that fitment on here. It's basically the perfect length for this. I like that because I like this big ratchet. I don't always like a big bulky comfort grip, so this is really nice, especially when you need a lot of leverage and you got to put a lot of force. You get much more grip, and it's definitely much more comfortable now. And then here is the Milwaukee. Very thin handle compared to the others, but one of my favorite ratchets. So I just wanted to do a real quick video on the Olsa Tools heat sleeve for ratchets and any other tool that you want to add a grip to without making it overly bulky. Once again, they're available in different colors, and you can get them between $10 and $12. I think it's a great little feature. Let me know your guys' thoughts. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. I will have these linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But if you guys enjoyed, smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.